बहुत प्रशंसा की थी आपने। आलिया इस बार उड़ता पंजाब और अभी उनकी डियर जिंदगी फिल्म आई, काफी उसके लिए सराहा जा रहा है। ऐसा लगता है उनका काम बहुत।
Yeah, I think she's growing up into a fantastic actor. I hope she can keep it up. I'm very fond of her, and I think it was the second film that she did with me.
For none other than Mr. Randeep Hooda. He's the extraordinaire versatility par excellence. At the age of 40, he's one of the most eligible, athletic, desirable bachelors of the Tinsel Town. Randeep's smoldering hot persona makes him an ideal contender for brands like USL, Diageo, India's Scotch Whisky Company. His irresistible, sharp features and terrific North Indian machismo, along with his subtle fashion sense, makes him the perfect face for brands. He's like Rajputs take to horses, like fish take to water. Is that true, Randeep? All right, Randeep, why don't you say a few words and talk about next time?
Thank you very much for very flattering introduction, my friend. I am very honored and grateful that I received this award. One tries to do actual versatility. If I was to think of it, it is just self-actualization, and over a period of time, it varies. So that's all I say. Thank you very much, Next Brands and Brand Vision Summit 2016 for honoring me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Sure.
One second. Tell us something about the award that you just received.
Well, it's a versatility award, and I'm glad that I got it. And as I said inside, versatility is, for me, is just self-actualization. And over a period of time, you keep growing older and wiser, and it becomes versatile.
How difficult is it to maintain this look for your movie?
Oh, I have to shampoo my face as well as my hair.
How is it being directed by Rajkumar Santoshi?
Well, the movie has not started yet, but already my interactions with him have been great. I've been a great fan of his work, and I think he makes real larger-than-life cinema, and his male protagonists as well as his female protagonists are very, very enriched characters. And so I'm really looking forward to working with one of the best directors in the country.
A little bit about the research and homework that you have done from your part.
Oh, there's a lot of research that goes into it. Basically, a lot of research is going into one's own self and also the Sikh religion, as well as, handling those weapons and being a person who doesn't have mobile phones, Facebooks, Twitter, and all these things in his life, not even electricity. So, yeah, it's a good experience. I'm having fun.
Randeep, congratulations for the award.
Thank you.
कुछ हमें बताएंगे ये अवार्ड किस श्रेणी में था, किस कैटेगरी में था?
वर्सेटैलिटी वर्सेटैलिटी था कि भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के की छवि रखना, मेरे ख्याल से.
We ask this question, then I will ask you.
किशन बहुत जल्दी.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है जिस पर राष्ट्रगान को
हाँ?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है
What?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का
So there is a decision by the Supreme Court that national anthem should be played before the.
But national anthem has always been played in cinemas in Maharashtra.
ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
So it's a good thing. What's wrong with it?
Everyone should rise in respect for the same. So he wants to know what is your opinion.
I think if you play the national anthem, it is but your duty to stand up and rise to it. I don't see any problem. I have never ever had the feeling that I can sit and relax when my country's national anthem is being played. I don't think that is in good taste, or neither is it respectful.
So from one biopic to another, how challenging is it to be part of different biopics, and how do you set up as an actor?
I think I am one of those fortunate actors who's had the pleasure of doing biopics, and I get cast in those roles quite often. It's not a deliberate choice, but I enjoyed a lot. And I think it gives me the whole versatility angle is because I do biopics and I don't play myself. I don't think I've ever played myself except for a bit in Lal Rang. But yeah, so I enjoy being other people.
So in terms of sport fighting, any special?
Gatka.
That is what you're learning.
Gatka, you know the Gatka?
You just heard about it.
Gatka is a traditional Punjabi sword art. Yeah.
And who are you getting trained from?
यार नंबर दे दे मैं बाद में तुझसे बात
मैं कॉल करता हूँ.
ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच अच्छा और कुछ ओके
घर गए थे आप अपने स्कूल वगैरह में गए थे?
जी मैं स्कूल गया था 24 साल बाद स्कूल गया था बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा अपने स्कूल में MNSS राय स्कूल है मेरा मोतीलाल नेहरू स्कूल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स और वहीं पे मैंने घुड़सवारी और एक्टिंग वहीं सीखी थी और ज़िंदगी के दाव पेच अबाउट बर्ड्स एंड बीज भी वहीं सीखा था तो आई वाज वेरी थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल एंड फेल्ट वेरी हम्बल्ड and got in touch with that child I think which we should all be in touch with and yeah so and school I used to act and ride horses and now still after all these years I'm acting and riding horses either I have not gone anywhere or I think I'm having the best life
अवार्ड यहाँ मिल गया इस साल जो अवार्ड फंक्शंस हैं उसमें आपकी इस बार फिल्में आई है जहाँ आपका अभिनय काफी प्रभावशाली रहा है तो अवार्ड की इच्छा है आपको नेशनल अवार्ड भाई पहले
देखिए आप काम कभी अवार्ड के लिए नहीं कर सकते आप काम सच्चाई से उस मोमेंट के लिए उस फिल्म के लिए कर सकते हैं और कौन उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता है या नहीं करता है ना तो इसमें आपकी कोई ज़बरदस्ती चलती है मेरी तो नहीं चलती है और ना ही कुछ चलनी चाहिए मिल गया तो अच्छा है नहीं मिला तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा काम कम हो जाएगा
आलिया की बहुत प्रशंसा की थी आपने आलिया इस बार उड़ता पंजाब और अभी उनकी डियर जिंदगी फिल्म आई काफी उसके लिए सराहा कर रहा है ऐसा लगता है उनका काम बहुत
या आई थिंक शी इज ग्रोइंग अप इनटू अ फैंटास्टिक एक्टर आई होप शी कैन कीप इट अप आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ हर and I think it was the second film that she did with me and I think we interacted as human beings and as actors very well and I wish her all the best. I love her a lot.
Ranveer, time and again you have always been written as one of the sexiest men from Bollywood. They say women love men with beard, so how has the new look been?
It is providence, my friend. कि इस साल बियर्ड का वो चल रहा था तो मेरे को पिक्चर भी ऐसी मिल गई जिसमें बियर्ड रख सकते हैं तो आई एम विद द फैशन आई थिंक गॉड इज लुकिंग आफ्टर मी माय फ्रेंड
So you are with the fashion or fashion is with you?
फैशन इज विद मी थैंक यू
Thank you, Ranveer.
थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस
Posing with
Where is the award? Where is the award? Award.
और कहाँ भाई संदीप
Sandeep. This is yours?
No. Thank you very much.
Thank you.